I'm here at Stouffville Toyota, and this is a 2020 4Runner and in the Nightshade edition. This is a previous TCI Demo, which means it's going to apply for new vehicle rates and incentives. It has less than 10,000 kilometers on it as well. So again, it's the 2020 4Runner and it is the Nightshade edition, which means you have the blackout badging. You're also going to have heated front sport seats, power moonroof. It comes with a remote starter and backup camera. You have the blackout roof rails. You have massive 20-inch black alloy wheels. It also comes with the X-REAS Sport Sport Enhancement Suspension. It also has destination assist control with a 1-year subscription, embedded navigation. Again, this is a 2020 4Runner in the Nightshade edition. It is a TCI Demo, which means it's going to apply for new vehicle rates and incentives. This is the 2020 4Runner Nightshade edition here at Stouffville Toyota.